best way to experience 360-degree video or any virtual reality is through a VR headset. Before using the headset, you will need to learn how to use it and navigate around. This short video will show you how to put it on, how to find the apps you're allowed to use, and how to quit and open apps.
Here's an important note on how to properly wear your headset so that the picture is clear and the headset is comfortable. First, gently adjust the lenses by shifting them left and right until they click into the position that makes the picture clearest for you. There are 3 different lens spacing settings. Next, it's time to adjust the straps. Adjust the side straps first, then put on the headset and adjust the top strap. You can further improve the clarity by gently moving the firm arms on either side of the headset up and down to adjust the angle of the headset against your face. You'll know that the headset is worn correctly when it's resting lightly on your face and the picture appears clearly. Hit continue. Remember to always wear your touch controller wrist straps when in VR. When setting up Guardian for the first time, you should see what we call Passthrough. Passthrough is a feature which allows you to take a quick look at the outside world to help you get oriented in space while wearing the device. Passthrough is essential for creating your play area. Next, it's time to define your play area. Defining your play area will help Guardian notify you if you start to move outside of it.
When you first put on the VR goggles, it will ask you to show where the floor is. Simply touch the controller to the floor and then click the Confirm button. You must choose Switch to Stationary Boundary. It has to be Switch to Stationary Boundary. Then click the Confirm button. You'll then see a digital circle around you. This is the boundary. You must stay inside the boundary or the goggles will stop working.
Here are some tips on how to use the controller properly. To make a selection in VR, hover your pointer over your selection and click the A button. If you want to reorient your play area, face in the direction you'd like to set as forward and hold down the Oculus button on the right controller for 3 seconds. To quit out of a game or application, simply press the Oculus button, then hit quit. You can also...
The apps you are allowed to use appear on the screen. Use the controller to point at the app you want to play and click the trigger to select it. Then launch the app.